Today I'm gonna make some new space for our new pizza. That's what I'm talking about. That's done. Now I need to do my bake. Welcome to my channel. We are baking mini egg cookie pie, I think. Yes. These are the ingredients you will need: flour, butter, brown sugar, vanilla, chocolate eggs, chocolate spread and chocolate chips. Time for a yummy snack. They are chocolatey. First, put the oven on to 160 degrees fan. First, cream the butter and sugar together. Dripping down, dripping down. Tastes good. Time to crack egg. Yep. No shell. Put the vanilla in the bowl. Smell test. Taste test. Good. You better try this at home. I found it. Why does it say dye on it? I thought it was mine. Yeah, I'm a pretty slow person at baking. That's yummy. Put both of these in the bowl. Yum. Wait. It's still on my fingers. I'm really messing with it. Yeah. This is heavy like a bowl. Now we add the baking powder and the sugar, the flour together. Well, I think there's baking powder in there. I think no. Pillow of snow coming down. Yeah. Yep, got it. Ooh, that was cool. Why did you do it again? It's so heavy. Put 2/3 of this in there. I think in the baking tray. Yes, I remember the name. Now it's time to put it in. Yeah, I remember it's still heavy. Yes, gotcha, baby. Time to push it flat. I still have my bare hands because I'm super strong. Put the chocolate spread in front front of you and get a spoon and scoop much as you can. Thank you, adults. It's pretty heavy if you're a kid like me. I'm out of strength. Yeah, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Adult, can you help me? Thanks, adult. Now spread it, but don't go too far to the edge. For a snack after do this. Ask your adult to make a cookie disc. Ask your adult to put this music disc cookie on top of it carefully. Gently seal the edge. If you have some spare mini eggs, put them really carefully, like a bunny, Easter bunny would do. Now bang it in the oven for 20 minutes. And the last one for me. While it's baking, your adult will tidy up and I'll help. While my adult is cleaning up, I'm going to do some research on YouTube and I'm going to have this sip of milk. Good milk. Time for smell test. I just want to eat right now because it's so good. Leave it to cool completely in the tray. Smash the like button while I smash this cookie cake in, and subscribe and tap the bell and turn notifications. Goodbye, everybody. No, then.